Hey guys, Justin here with the Satellite Phone Store, and today we're gonna do something a little bit wild. We're gonna shoot this backpack. You know why? Because it has a bulletproof layer in it, and I wanna see how good it is. It also not only will protect you from bullets, but electromagnetic frequencies with this built-in Faraday bag. So without further ado, let's meet my buddy Zach. This is my buddy Zach.
Hi guys.
He's a former police officer, and he's here today to be the professional shooter. I mean, I'm the shooter, but I shoot the camera, you shoot the gun.
Yep.
So tell us a couple things about if you were to be attacked with a gun, and what are some scenarios that you saw as a police officer, and how would this backpack benefit you?
Well, I can tell you that, historically, most gunfights occur between 7 and 10 yards. It's like in modern day with what's going on in the world today, we recommend that you run first, hide, and then as a last result, fight, because you have to. If you have something like this, if this works, we'll see. It would be extraordinarily beneficial in those types of situations.
So how so? What could you do?
Well, as you're running, you're obviously wearing a backpack, so, if a stray round were to find you, and that would stop it. And then once you hide, you can actually put the backpack in front of you. And all of your vital organs are just in a really small group right here. And that pad that's in the bullet-resistant pad that's in there is enough. That would just be enough to save your life. So
sweet. All right, well,
pretty big deal.
Without further ado, let's do some shooting.
Okay.
All right, you ready? Whenever you're ready to fire, go for it. Whoa, did it catch the bullet?
That's pretty good. A multi-round volley, hitting it in very different spots, very realistic. See where all the rounds went through the backpack here. Open up the main chamber. And if this was in school, there would be like books and whatnot in here, and that's actually an added level. You have some skimmed rounds, but this was lying down like this.
Yeah.
So not the greatest, but let's see. Let's see what this looks like.
Damn, dude. Well, it works.
Well, the important part is the backside here, and it worked.
There you have it. So Zach shot one round into this thing, and it easily blocked that one bullet. And then I was like, dude, go ham on it. And look at this thing. Not only that, but like, if you look in here, it actually caught the rounds. And there's even some of the rounds inside the backpack. Like, that's freaking awesome. This is the type of thing that if you have somebody who you care about, who you love, and in the world that we live in today, giving a gift like this could literally mean saving their life. So if you're interested and want to learn more, visit Satellite Phone Store or EscapeZone.com and get yourself one of these amazing backpacks that will not only protect you from bullets, but also from electronic magnetic frequencies.